The main purpose is for academics for master's program. I am from Iragada, Hyderabad. I received my result very fast. It was very quick. I was very happy looking at my result. I didn't even expect that I could get more than 60. I got overall 72. Out of that, I got 68 in listening, 69 in reading, 72 in writing, and speaking, I got 85. I just viewed your profile in Google. Your name itself is bestpte.com. We did not get real experience in our home. There are many mock tests. I perform many also, but the seriousness is not in what we perform in our home. The real simulation test has helped me a lot. 2 to 3 mock tests I have attended. I got more than 60 in all three. It was very helpful. Templates only the one reason helped me in getting this course. He suggested me to do. I blindly believe in that. It was very helpful. The experience was actually the same. I didn't find any difference. In less time, anybody can crack this PT result in your coaching center compared to other centers, sir. I had just completed my PT coaching in 20 to 25 days. I found it very useful because of various reasons, the templates and all. We can blindly believe in all the templates by Sandeep sir and his tips and tricks in every reading module and all the modules. That was all I could say. Thank you very much, sir.